Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to extend the volume of your local disk C when it's running out of space. Let's get started. I have got my computer here, and as you can see, my local disk C is almost full, indicated by the red color, while local disk D has some free space. Now, I see that my local disk D has data, so first I want to back up my file. To begin, I'll open Disk Management by searching for it in the search bar. Now, I see that my local disk D has data, so I am going to shrink its volume to create unallocated space. Right-click your mouse, then select Shrink Volume. Then calculate your volume space. Here I need 120 GB drive space, so I give that value and click Shrink button. Now I got an unallocated space. Then right-click the drive, then select New Volume. Click Next. After that select Drive Letter. Click Next. Then click Finish. After the automatic formatting, I got a new local disk. Now I am going to back up my all datas from local disk D drive to local disk A drive. After the backup finished, I deleted local disk D drive. Now you can see, I have an unallocated space. But here's the catch, when I try to extend local disk C, it doesn't show the unallocated space, because there's a recovery partition in the middle. To solve this, I did some research and found a solution. The MiniTool Partition Wizard can solve this issue. Search Google, Mini Partition Tool. This is the website, open it. Click Download now. Then install that software into your PC. Then open MiniTool Partition software. Then select local disk C drive. Right-click, then click Extend. Then select in unallocated space. Then click OK. Then select in Apply button. And there you have it. We successfully extended the volume of local disk C, even with a recovery partition in the way. After that, change the volume letter of partition type. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you. Bye.